Solving an application with factoring. This particular problem involves a right triangle. So we'll draw a right triangle. All right, the hypotenuse of a right triangle is 3 less than twice the shorter leg. The longer leg is 3 more than the shorter leg. Find the length of each side of the triangle. So in this problem, we need to determine what the unknowns are, as well as assigning our variable to what I call the I don't know anything about. And in this problem, they're not telling us anything about the shorter leg. So we will assign x to the shorter leg. Now the hypotenuse, they're telling us, is 3 less than twice the shorter leg. So 3 less than would be minus 3. Twice the shorter leg means 2 times. So that will be 2x minus 3 for the hypotenuse. The longer leg is 3 more than the shorter leg. 3 more than means add 3, so x plus 3 will be the expression for the longer leg. Now the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b represent the lengths of the legs of the triangle, c represents the hypotenuse. So we can substitute for a, b, and c. We'll have x squared plus x plus 3 squared equals 2x minus 3 squared. Simplifying, x squared plus, now x plus 3 squared means you have to take x plus 3 times itself, x plus 3, and that will be x squared plus 6x plus 9. And then 2x minus 3 means take 2x minus 3 times itself. So that will be 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. This is a quadratic equation, so it's going to have to be set equal to 0. We can combine some like terms. First, we'll have 2x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. Now setting it equal to 0, we'll need to subtract the 2x squared. We'll have to subtract the 6x. And then we'll have to subtract 9. So we now have 0 equals 2x squared minus 18x. Now factoring that, well, there's a greatest common factor. We can factor out the 2, and we can factor out an x. So 0 equals 2x times x minus 9. Now, set each factor containing a variable equal to 0, and we see x equals 0, x equals 9. Now, one of these answers doesn't make sense for our application, and that is the x equals 0. Even though it's a solution to the equation, it doesn't make any sense because the length of a triangle, one of the legs cannot be equal to 0. But the x equals 9 does make sense. And substituting that back into our unknowns, we would see that x would equal 9. X plus 3, the length of the longer leg is 12, and then 2x minus 3. Substituting that in, we would have 15 for the hypotenuse. So, writing a sentence, we could say the sides of the triangle are 9, 12, and 15.